My name is Rachel. I am the Thrifty Crocheter, and today is February the 7th, and it is a multiple of 3 stitches plus 1. Here's the pattern. So I did what my mom would call a baker's dozen, which is 13 stitches. 12 for the multiple of 3, and then the plus 1. So there's 13 stitches. My mom used to call 13 a baker's dozen. Okay, we're going to double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. And double crochet in each chain across. So this first row is going to be easy. In the month of February, you're probably going to get tired of seeing a white, pink, and red. Because those are the colors. I'm using a couple shades of pink. I'm using a white and a red since February 14th is Valentine's Day, that we would use white, pink, and red this month. Just kind of tie in everything. Okay, row 2, chain 1, and you're going to single crochet all the way across. Wait, here's row 1, which is double crochets. Row 2 is just single crochets all the way across. Again, I'm just making a swatch to help give you an idea of a pattern to use on a future project. I try to give you some pattern ideas, and I hope they are helpful. And I hope you can understand what I'm giving directions. I hope my directions are coming out clear. If they're not, I truly apologize. Row 3. I'm sorry. Here's the end of row 2. Remember row 1. Row 1 was double crochets, and row 2 is just single crochets. Row 3. We're going to chain 5. 5 alive. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to be using bobbles in this one. So they want us to do a bobble in the first single crochet. Okay. Okay. Yeah. There we go. I got it in there. Chain 1. Skip 2 singles. So we're going to skip and skip. And on this third one, we're going to double crochet, chain 2, and then a bobble in that next single crochet. So we're going to skip 2. They want us to do a double crochet, chain 2, and then in that same stitch, they want you to do a bobble. Okay. Chain 1, skip 2, and then we're going to put a double crochet, chain 2, and then a bobble in that same stitch. And if you don't remember what bobbles and puffs are, go back to the 1st of February. And I have all the explanations of each one in there. To the last 3 single crochets, so I got 3 single crochets left. I'm supposed to chain 1, skip 2 single crochets, and double crochet in the single. So we're going to skip, and you got the last 3. You're going to do this chain 1, skip 2 singles, and put a double on the end. And this is what row 3 looks like. Now remember, this acts as your double crochet chain 1, so that's why it's kind of out there a little bit. Okay. Row 4. Chain 2, 1, 2. Skip first double crochet, double crochet in the next. Oh, we're going to work in the single crochets here and below. Ooh, this is going to be fun. Okay, double crochet in the next single 2 rows below. Ooh, double crochet in the single 2 rows below. Wow. Okay. Then we're going to skip this bobble and put 2 single crochets in the next chain 2 space. So we got a 2 singles right there. Skip 1 double crochet. And then we're going to double crochet in the single crochet 2 rows below. We're going to skip a bobble and put 2 single crochets in that space. 1, 2. And get towards the end here. To the last bobble, double to the last bobble. Okay, wait, 2 single crochets. Okay. Skip 1 double crochet and 2 single double crochet 2 rows below. Okay, now to the last bobble. Double crochet in the next single crochet 2 rows below, skip the bobble, 2 single crochets, in the turning chain. Okay, 1, 2, half double crochet in the third chain of turning chain. Okay, and a half double crochet there. And that's the end of row 4. Row 5, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip this half double crochet and double crochet and each stitch across, leaving turning chain unworked. So we're putting double crochets all the way across. Double all the way across. Leaving the turning chain. It says leave the turning chain unhooked, unworked. I don't think I'm quite the turning chain. And there's row 5. And that sets you up to do rows 3 and 4 again. After you do rows 3 and 4, then the 5th row, you're going to do a row of double crochets. I think it'd make a nice sweater. It would make a nice scarf or hat. Not quite sure about a blanket. Maybe a blanket, depending on the colors. Like, maybe for the bobble work, you could do that in a different color, and then the double crochets in another color, make it striped. That would look neat. So that way the bobbles shine a little more. Because like I said, I'm making a swatch, so it's all in one color, so it makes it a little harder to see the actual bobbles. Bobbles don't quite shine out as much as if they were in another color. But that would be an idea. You guys have fun playing with bobbles. Y'all have a good day now. Oh, sorry. For February 7th, it was a multiple of 3 stitches plus 1. Now y'all have a good day now. Bye.